Yeah, good morning, one and all. Again, we come back to the another important topic of 5th class, Equatorial region, that is the Congo Basin. Congo Basin. Yeah, before we go into the lesson, let us discuss, children. We all know that the earth is like a big round ball. Big round ball. So that's why it is obvious. Obvious means, yeah, understood. Understood. Obvious means it is understood or clear clear. Yeah, that is obvious that it does not receive sunlight equal amount everywhere. Best example you see, this is the earth and the sun. You see, children, the earth should not receive the equal amount of sunlight. Yeah, the polar region is quite different, equatorial region is quite different. So that's why, yeah, the equatorial region is nearer to the sun. Equatorial region to nearer to the sun. It is a very near. It is a very near compared to the poles. Compared to the poles, North Pole and the South Pole. So that's why the equatorial region to receives direct and strong sun rays. Yeah, because the equator is nearer to the sun. Nearer to the sun compared to the polar region. Polar region. That's why, yeah, this equatorial region is hot throughout the year because the distance between the equatorial region to sun is very less and to receive direct and hot rays, strong rays. So that's why the equatorial region is hot throughout the year. Throughout the year. Let us discuss what is equatorial region, equatorial region, equatorial region. Apart from this equatorial region means, yeah, this is the equator. The line, it goes in middle of the earth, it divides the earth into two half equal parts. Two half equal parts, that is called equator. Equator. So the equatorial region means that is located between the 10 degree north latitude in north hemisphere and 10 degrees south latitude in southern hemisphere. Between this area is also called equatorial region. Equatorial region. It is called equatorial region. This is called equatorial region. Okay. So apart from this equatorial region, such type of continents and countries are also found. Apart from these equatorial region, like the continents Africa, Amazon Basin in South American continent, and Malaysia, Indonesia, and Southeast Asia. These are the countries and continents are also comes under the equatorial region. Equatorial region. I'll show the picture also, children, for the next class. I show the world map. What are the regions that comes under the equatorial region? Right? Yeah. Not only that, children, this equatorial region to receives lot of rainfall. So that's why here the annual rainfall of this equatorial region is 2000 millimeters rainfall. It is the annual rainfall of equatorial region. Annual rainfall of equatorial region. And highest temperature of this area is 30 degrees Celsius and very low or less temperature is 3 degrees centigrade. 3 degree centigrade. That is the rainfall of both highest and lowest. Not only that, my children, you compare the day and nights are equal in equatorial region. Day and nights. So this region to receive the heavy rainfall. So that's why the dense for the numerous rivers are also can flow through the equatorial region, and dense forests are also grown here. So that's why the equatorial region, the day and nights are equal. Where the day and nights are equal? Day and nights are equal. The day and nights are equal. Only the equatorial region. Equatorial region compared to the other areas. You observe our areas in our societies, like children, the day and night times are quite different. Sometimes days are very long, nights are very less, or sometimes nights are very long and days are very less. But here, the type of situations cannot be repeated in the equatorial region. The equatorial region, the days and nights are equal. So that's why here this type of hot and wet climate is available from the growing of the vegetation from the equatorial region. Hot and wet climate are useful to grow the lot of vegetation from the equatorial region. So that's why these forests are called tropical rainforest. Here, such type of 500 creepers, 500 plants or 500 variety types of plants are grown in that tropical rainforest, particularly equatorial region. Such type of trees in equatorial region like rosewood, mahogany, ebony, rubber, palm and bamboo. These are some of the trees to grow in the equatorial rainforest. These forests are also called tropical rainforests. So not only the children, the creepers are also climb up to the trees. So that's why such type of different kinds of fauna. Fauna means different kinds of large group of trees are also formed in the equatorial region. That is, we have discussed the equatorial region only. But what are the areas from the equatorial region? Let us tomorrow class we are discussing the important areas. What are the areas are located from the equatorial region? Okay, children. Today, now I am giving one such type of assignment. One or two assignments. The first one. Yeah. What are the trees? What are the trees in equatorial region? Second one. Where is day and nights are equal? Day and nights are equal. Thank you, children. Again, we'll come back to another session next class.